A bug appeared. Somewhere in the code. Sometime in the past. Git has powerful detective tools that can find exactly who introduced it, when it happened, and which commit is responsible. Let's explore Git's advanced inspection commands. Git Blame shows you who last modified every line in a file and when. Run Git Blame on any file to see line-by-line attribution. Add -w to ignore whitespace changes, so reformatting doesn't hide the real author. -M detects lines that were moved within a file. -C detects lines copied from other files. Use -L10, 30 to blame only a specific range of lines. For large projects, create a .git blame ignorevs file to skip bulk formatting commits. One important quirk: blame always shows the last change to each line, not the original author. If someone reformats a line, blame will show them, not the person who wrote the logic. Git Bisect finds the exact commit that introduced a bug using binary search. Start with Git Bisect start, then mark the current commit as bad and a known working commit as good. Git automatically checks out the commit halfway between good and bad. You test it, mark it good or bad, and Git halves the search again. To automate this, use Git Bisect run with a test script like npm test. Git will automatically bisect until it finds the first bad commit. The efficiency is remarkable. Even with 1,000 commits, Bisect finds the bug in about 10 steps. That's the power of binary search. Oh, of login? When finished, run Git Bisect reset to return to your original branch. One quirk to know: Bisect assumes a single transition from good to bad. If a bug is intermittent or was fixed and reintroduced, Bisect may give misleading results. Git Show displays detailed information about commits, tags, and files. Run Git Show with a commit hash to see its diff. Add a colon and file name to see exactly what a file looked like at that commit. For example, Git Show head -package.json shows the package file 3 commits ago. Git cat file is the low-level object inspector. Everything in Git is stored as an object. Use -t to see an object type, blob, tree, commit, or tag. Use -s for the object size in bytes. And -p to pretty print its contents. Cat file is the raw plumbing command that powers many of Git's higher-level features. Git has a powerful syntax for navigating the commit graph. Head points to your current commit. Head -1 goes back 1 commit, -3 goes back 3. Head caret selects the first parent, which is the same as head tilde for linear history. But they differ at merge commits. Head caret 2 selects the second parent of a merge. Think of tilde as walking back generations and caret as choosing which parent at a merge. The @ sign is shorthand for head. Revision ranges are incredibly useful. Main feature shows commits in feature but not in main. This answers: what will this pull request add? Main feature shows the symmetric difference, what diverged between both branches. The key quirk: head caret and head tilde look the same for non-merge commits. The difference only matters at merge commits, where caret 2 means the second parent. Git grep searches the contents of tracked files, and is faster than regular grep because it uses the index. Add -n for line numbers, -l to list matching files, or --count for match counts. You can even search older commits. Git grep pattern head -5 searches 5 commits ago. What about finding when code was added? Git has 3 complementary search tools. Git grep searches current content. Git log -S, called the pickaxe, finds when a string was added or removed. Git log -G finds commits where the diff matches a regex pattern. One important quirk: Git grep only searches tracked files. Any untracked files are completely invisible to it. Let's recap Git's detective toolkit. Git Blame tells you who changed each line. Git Bisect binary searches for the commit that broke things. Git Show and cat file inspect commits and raw objects. Revision syntax navigates the commit graph with tilde, caret, and ranges. And Git grep searches file contents blazingly fast. Next up, Part 7, Git internals, where we look inside the .git directory.